Our company does traceability in complex supply chains. We're pioneers of proof, basically, enabling manufacturers of the most polluting products to decarbonize their supply chains. What makes our company innovative and unique is the approach that we have developed to following raw materials through complex industrial supply chains and then attaching environmental data such as embedded carbon to that flow of materials, which is essential to decarbonizing some of the most polluting supply chains that we all rely on for the products we buy and consume. Our company's mission in a single word: sustainability.
We are a digital-based waste management platform that is creating a unique ecosystem, helping either retailers or distributors and food manufacturers to manage their surplus in the best way. We are creating the first ecosystem that is covering all food recovery hierarchy end-to-end, starting from the liquidation of surplus, including like also donation management, animal feeds, and other recycling options. So this ecosystem is a very unique one, and the decision-making processes in food surplus management is very differentiated. If I want to describe the company mission in one word, it would be efficiency.
Our company is a fully automated on-demand staffing agency, and we provide people with jobs and connect them with companies all over Europe. And we just do this by giving you the opportunity to decide when to work, for whom you want to work, and to have the chance for companies to adapt to the needs of the new world of work. We are leveraging technology as we approached a market 6 years ago, an industry which was completely paper-driven. We not just digitized everything, but we automated the vast majority of the processes involved. So now you just have your job in your pocket on your favorite device, your smartphone. We at ZenJobs stand for empowerment.